Hello, grade 6 learners. Welcome back to another exciting mathematics lesson. Have you ever helped your parents bake a cake, cook your favorite meal, or measured ingredients for a recipe? What if the recipe is for 12 people, but you need to prepare food for 24 people? How will you know how much flour, sugar, or milk you need? Today, we'll discover how multiplication of fractions, whole numbers, and mixed numbers helps us solve real-life problems like these. By the end of this lesson, you will confidently multiply whole numbers and fractions, whole numbers and mixed numbers, fractions and mixed numbers and mixed numbers. So prepare your notebook, pencil, and calculator. Just kidding. Today, we'll train our brains to solve these problems ourselves. Let's begin. At the end of today's lesson, you should be able to multiply fractions and whole numbers, multiply fractions and mixed numbers, multiply mixed numbers with other mixed numbers, solve real-life problems involving multiplication of fractions. Before learning something new, let's review. Question 1. Convert 1.5. Pause the video and try. Let's solve. Multiply the whole number by the denominator. 1 times 2 equals 2. Then add the numerator. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Keep the same denominator. Answer 3 halves. Question 2. Multiply 1/3 times 2/3. Multiply the numerators. 1 times 2 equals 2. Multiply the denominators. 3 times 3 equals 9. Answer 2/9. Easy, right? Remember these skills because we'll use them throughout today's lesson. Imagine this. You're baking brownies. One recipe serves 12 people. But your family reunion has 24 guests. The recipe needs 1 3/4 cups of flour. Since the number of guests doubled, we multiply 1 3/4 times 2. Step 1. Convert the mixed number 1 3/4. Multiply 1 times 4 equals 4. Add 3 equals 7. So, 1 3/4 equals 7/4. Step 2. Multiply 7/4 times 2. Remember that 2 can be written as 2 over 1. Multiply 7 times 2 equals 14. 4 times 1 equals 4. Answer 14 over 4. Then, simplify. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Answer equals 7 halves. Convert to mixed number. 7 divided by 2 equals 3 remainder 1. Answer 3.5 cups of flour. So you'll need 3.5 cups of flour to make enough brownies. Mathematics helps us prepare the right amount of ingredients without wasting food. Example 1. Whole number times fraction. 4 times 1/3. Write the whole number as a fraction. 4 equals 4 over 1. Now multiply. 4 times 1 equals 4. 1 times 3 equals 3. Answer 4/3. Convert to mixed number. 4 divided by 3 equals 1 remainder 1. Final answer 1 and 1/3. Example 2. Whole number times mixed number. Solve 5 times 3 and 3/4. First, convert the mixed number. 3 and 3/4. 3 times 4 equals 12. 12 plus 3 equals 15. So, 3 and 3/4 equals 15 over 4. Now multiply. 5 times 15 equals 75. Denominator stays 4. 75 over 4. Convert. 75 divided by 4 equals 18, remainder 3. Answer, 18 and 3/4. Example 3. Fraction times mixed number. Let's solve 5/9 times 5.5. Convert. 5.5. 5 times 2 equals 10. 10 plus 1 equals 11. So, 11 over 2. Multiply. 5 times 11 equals 55. 9 times 2 equals 18. 55 divided by 18. Convert. 55 divided by 18 equals 3, remainder 1. Answer, 3 and 1/18. Example 4. Mixed number times mixed number. Solve 3 and 4/7 times 2 and 6/7. Convert both. 3 and 4/7 equals open parenthesis. 3 times 7 close parenthesis plus 4 equals 25/7. 2 and 6/7 equals open parenthesis. 2 times 7 close parenthesis plus 6 equals 27. Multiply. 25 times 20 equals 500. 7 times 7 equals 49. Answer, 500 over 49. Convert. 49 goes into 510 times. Remainder 10. Answer, 10 over 49. Important tips. Whenever you multiply mixed numbers, always remember these 4 easy steps. Step 1. Convert mixed numbers into improper fractions. Step 2. Simplify first whenever possible. This makes multiplication easier. Step 3. Multiply numerators. Multiply denominators. Step 4. Simplify your answer. If the answer is an improper fraction, change it into a mixed number. Remember, simplify before multiplying whenever possible. It saves time and avoids large numbers. Quick challenge. Ready? Pause the video and solve these. Problem 1. 6 times 1/2. Answer, 3. Problem 2. 3/4 times 12. Answer, 9. Problem 3. 13 and 3/4 times 2. Answer, 27.5. Today we learned how to multiply whole numbers and fractions, whole numbers and mixed numbers, fractions and mixed numbers and mixed numbers. Always remember, convert mixed numbers first. Simplify whenever possible. Multiply. Then write your answer in simplest form. Mathematics becomes easier when we solve one step at a time. If you enjoyed today's lesson, Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell so you won't miss our next grade 6 mathematics lesson. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing because every problem you solve makes you a better mathematician. See you in the next lesson. Let's put our knowledge into practice by completing the following activity.